Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn about how to draw dolls and cartoon characters. First is the cartoon man. First draw his head, eyes, nose and cute little spectacles and his shirt. Color it with brown skin color and blue. Next is the beautiful cute cat. For this, draw his head, ears, eyes, cute little nose and tongue. Then draw its body to give a cute look and a little tail on the back side. Draw a beautiful necklace for the cat and color it with blue, yellow, cheeks with red. Next is the bunny drinking juice. For this, first draw its head, eyes, nose and cute little hairband on its head. Then draw a juice bottle with beautiful straw and its hands and legs. At last, draw the sofa which it was sitting. Then color it with pink, yellow, brown, blue and green. Next is the anime girl. For her, first draw her beautiful hair with several strands in it in the front. Then draw her face and cute little two ponytails on her head. Then draw her eyes and mouth. At last, draw her beautiful gown to look like a queen. Color it with skin, blue, red, yellow, orange and pink. Do you know one fact about anime characters? The name of first ever anime character is Astro Boy, created by Osamu, premiered on Fuji TV on January 1, 1963. How interesting to hear this, right? You can give an additional look for this anime girl by drawing flowers on the gown or chain on her neck, anything you want to do. Next is the girl with a simple look. For this, first draw her head, body, her two hands on the hip, then draw her beautiful two eyes, mouth and cheeks with a cute blush. At last, draw her two little braid on her head and color it with black to look a real hair. Next is the cat with a scarf. For this, first draw his head, then two hands, two kneeling legs. At last, draw his scarf with a lion look by drawing eyes, ears, cute little band on its scarf, then draw its own little eyes, nose and blush on his cheeks. Then color it with orange, red, green and white. Next is the teddy bear and penguin. First draw its two little legs for both teddy bear and a penguin. Draw a horizontal line passing through it. Then draw its head with two little ears, eyes, nose and mouth. Hope you enjoyed this video very much. Thanks for watching.